back. Yeah, that's your reputation, and now it's bound to be a heartbreak situation. But I can't